My name is Justin Turner. I am a developer at AXH Air Coolers in Claremore, Oklahoma. I grew up in a small rural community in southwest Oklahoma called Cement. I always kind of thought I wanted to be a professor. Got into graduate school and really found that I loved the mathematics and I loved solving problems, and really fell in love with data, being able to analyze it and create insights and really just help others to understand what they're looking at. 8 or 9 years ago, I got the opportunity to come spend a week here as a shadow and got to really just see what manufacturing and what the industry is all about. Little did I know that several years later, after I'd already graduated college, that I'd receive a phone call and be asked to come interview for a position here. Really cool opportunity that I never thought would happen. We in manufacturing and technology, you have to be adaptable and willing to study and stay on top of current trends to evolve. As the markets evolve and as business evolves, the people that we support, ultimately they need us to continue to learn and grow and become better at our craft, because when we become better, the whole organization becomes better. One thing that I love is that we exist to serve our organization, we exist to serve the people that are out on the shop floor, and everything we do is to either make something better, make the process better, make the product better, or make someone's job better, whether it's through making it easier or making it something that they enjoy more. We know that ultimately trickles down and creates better family, better home life, and the things that we do here in manufacturing ultimately reverberates through life. Man, if you're inquisitive and you have a desire and an aptitude to learn, really the sky's the limit for you. You know, you're not defined to this box of what your education says. Really the coolest thing about this is that it is what you make it, and it's a lot of self-study, being motivated, and honestly, it's something that anyone can do if they have the desire and the passion to do it.